Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Many people don't realize just how much potential there is to earn money working at your local pizza place. It's not just a casual, part-time gig. For many, it becomes a dependable source of income, even a career. The beauty of it is the accessibility. You can often get started quite quickly, without needing years of experience, and begin seeing that money come in. It's a fantastic entry point for anyone looking for a consistent paycheck. Different roles at a pizza place offer varying income streams. Delivery drivers typically see the highest earnings, thanks to a combination of their hourly wage and, of course, the tips from grateful customers. Inside, counter staff and kitchen cooks usually receive a steady hourly rate, sometimes supplemented by a shared tip pool or direct tips. Every position has its own ways to boost your earnings, depending on how you approach it. To truly maximize your income at a pizza place, focus on a few key areas. Excellent customer service, being friendly and helpful, directly translates into better tips, especially for drivers and counter staff. Upselling is another great strategy. Simply asking if customers want a drink or extra cheese can increase the order total, leading to higher tip percentages. For drivers, being efficient and knowing your routes means completing more deliveries, which translates into more earnings per shift. Your earnings at a pizza place aren't just limited to your hourly wage. Many pizzerias offer performance-based bonuses for things like meeting sales goals or perfect attendance, which can significantly boost your overall pay. Picking up extra shifts or covering for colleagues is a straightforward way to increase your hours and weekly income. Over time, growing into a team leader or management position will unlock even higher earning potential and new career paths. So, as you can see, working at a pizza place is far more than just a temporary job. It's a practical and accessible path to earning a good income. With a bit of dedication, excellent service, and smart strategies, your income potential can truly surprise you. It's a rewarding experience that offers both immediate financial gain and valuable work skills that will serve you well in any future endeavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.